Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Affan Farihan Said, and today I'm going to explain about 11 digital literacy skills by Jenkins 2009. The first one is play. Play is a key in shaping children's relationships with their bodies, tools, community, environment, and knowledge. For example, like we create a mini vlog and post on YouTube, and that is play. The second one is simulation. Simulation is the ability to interpret and construct dynamic models of real-world process. Simulation broadens the kind of experience users can have with computer, like a car simulation. The third one is performance, where performance is having alternative characters or traits. Performance is the ability to adopt alternative identities for the purpose of improvisation and discovery. For example, like Japanese pop culture cosplay. And moving on to the fourth is appropriation. Appropriation is the ability to meaningfully sample and remix media content, and using media content to remix or combine cultural elements. For example, like is a movie like The Avengers, Karate Kid, and others. Number 5 is multitasking. Multitasking is the ability to scan the environment and shift focus to important details, increasing our response to abundant information, such as listening to Indonesian songs on the way home from school to learn language or studying online while taking notes. Next, there is distributed cognition, which is the ability to interact meaningfully with tools that expand mental capacity. An example is observing trending posts, applying the results of the analysis community. We are entering the seventh skill, namely collective intelligence, which is the ability to pool knowledge and compare notes with others towards a common goal. And for the example is long partnerships with online communities to find a solution, such as in Mata Najwa show or ILC, which presents guest stars from various perspectives. The eighth one is judgment. So judgment is the ability to evaluate the reliability and credibility of different information sources, how to distinguish a fact from a fiction, an argument for documentation, real from fake, and a marketing from enlightenment. Go to the next is transmedia navigation. So transmedia navigation is the ability to follow the flow of stories and information across multiple modalities. The example is Marvel film that allows various forms of participation and facilitates the interests of many existing consumers. The 10th one is networking. Networking is the ability to search for, synthesize, and disseminate information. For example, is a YouTuber collaboration or other collaboration. We step into the last skills. The last skills is negotiation, where negotiation is the ability to travel across diverse communities, discern and respecting multiple perspectives, and grasping and following alternative norms. And for the example is the massively multiplayer game like World of Warcraft and Resident Evil has faced controversies about whether the information of groups illusion. Okay, so at the end of the day, each of skills we have identified above represents modes of thought, ways of processing information, and ways of interacting with others to produce and circulate knowledge. These are the skills that enable participation in the new communities emerging within a network society. And those were the 11 digital literacy skills by Jenkins 2009. Thank you so much for listening to me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.